everybody, John J. Hunto's Garage. This is a quick video on changing a lower door actuator on a 2010 Ford Escape that won't change the location that the air blows out of the vents on the HVAC unit. Check it out. In this case, it turned out to be this guy. Just a little actuator that it rotates a gear and it moves the mechanism inside the AC/heater box to transfer your air to, at your face, feet and face, or dirty feet, whatever. Defrost everything. So I went ahead and changed it. That's the part number from Dorman, and it's working so far. Keep your fingers crossed. And that part lives right down under here and right up there. It's this guy. You've got one cable, two screws, one here at the top, one here at the bottom. Now what you got to remember is you got to get this thing clocked correctly and try and put it in there the way that the original one was, in that position, to make sure they're the same. But however, sometimes it's stuck like in between positions. It'll be at a funny place, but you can always move this white gear right here. This just turns this big plastic gear, so you can move that around a little bit till you get it set right, and that's it. Two screws, just two screws out. Take the part off, take the cable off, put the cable on your new part, and then to turn the key on, press your buttons till it gets around to where this thing is clocked in the same position as the original one, and install it, adjusting that white gear thingy up there. On this particular car, the socket size I used was 5/16. Thanks, have a great day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.